Hello, my name is Rosie and this is Rosie's Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Ashley Black Facial Blaster. This product is a self-treatment tool that can be used at home, at leisure. It can be used in any part of the body. What it's good for, it's for intended for blood flow and to get rid of over time pain reduction, improved flexibility, joint function, circulation. It helps with muscle definition, performance, nerve activity, and anything. It just enhances beauty. It is recommended, like I said, any part of the body it can be used except with the buttocks. It is not recommended for that area just because it is better to just work out the muscles in that area and the muscles will get rid of the fat. But this tool definitely helps for that. That's why my mom decided to buy one of these tools. And in a minute, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use it. It is a hard tool, so it seems like it's going to cause pain at the beginning. So it is something that you have to be really careful when you're using it. I decided to try this out. My mom saw it in one of the Spanish TV news channels, and she wanted to get rid of like the fat, the cellulite, so she decided to order one of these. Unfortunately for her, it's not gonna work out because she is older and she has a lot of arthritis, so it's not really gonna help her out. It causes more pain than actually helping her. So this is how you use the FasciaBlaster. What you do is you want to get rid of the you use it with oil on bare skin. So you just go up and down here on your forearm, the back side of the forearm, on this side, bicep, and then you hit the neck. And like I said, you use you do it without any clothing and with oil because this is very hard. So it does kind of hurt if you're doing it bare skin. You go across the chest, and then the thighs. You want to go up and down the thigh and under the thigh. I read not to use it on your butt because the butt has like fat, and it's not really it's recommended there just because it's something that you want to just work out and have muscles there instead of getting rid of the fat. The muscles will get rid of the fat on its own without using the FasciaBlaster. And then you go up and down here. On the stomach, you do like a diagonal way. You go this way, and then you go this way. And you can take it to the back and just go like this. And then go like this with your arms. Alright guys, hope this tutorial helped you guys. Would I recommend this product? I'm not sure. It kind of, like I said with my mom, it hurt her more than helped her. So it's not something she's going to be using. Me, myself, possibly. I don't know. But I don't know if I would recommend the product. It's sometimes, it's kind of hard on your skin. But maybe it's a nice thing to try. Alright guys, there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe.